RokRez Concrete Crack Filler. Do-it-yourself patch and repair. The easy-to-use 100% solids epoxy features a professional-grade formula that is stronger than concrete, won't shrink or crack, is paintable in 8 hours, and permanently bonds to concrete. Now, clean the concrete surface to ensure that the surface is free of dust, grease, previous coatings, and all other foreign materials. Use a heavy-duty degreaser to remove all contaminants. Loose concrete and previously applied coatings can be removed using a wire brush or other scrubbing tools. Now, using a clean putty knife on a clean piece of cardboard, mix the base and activator together in a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 part base and 1 part activator. Mix until a uniform gray putty-like consistency is achieved. Be sure to close containers tightly after each use. Apply the mixed RokRez Concrete Crack Filler evenly over the cracked surface. Level and finish to achieve a smooth, uniform surface. If necessary, apply a second layer 1 to 2 hours after the first layer was applied, allowing the product to cure for 8 hours at 70 degrees and 50% relative humidity before sanding or painting.